time ever, man. If you're not at Cruisin Lindbergh, what are you doing? Forever to get here, dude. People everywhere, ain't there? I love it. We gotta try to find a place to park this thing. You guys like the chop top or the regular top? Dude, what do you like better? If you was gonna build a 55, would you chop it? Like chop the top like this one?
I don't know. I'm torn.
Yeah,
I like the looks, but I like the
regular better. Me too. Dude, right behind you is a super cool gasser, and the guy just raised the hood. Let's check it out. Golly. Oh, you like gassers?
I do like it.
I do too. They're cool, man. Let's see if we can find it. So, how long have you had the car?
I've had it my whole life. It's been in my family before I was.
Dude, no kidding? So your mom and dad had it or what?
My parents built it back in the 70s. That car's been in our family for over 50 years.
How cool is that?
It's untouched from then. I'm going to put paint on it this fall. But
so they had it looking like that?
They're the ones that did.
Wow, dude. I love that. So it's been your family for like 50 years? Over 50 years.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. You got a super cool ride, brother.
Thank you.
They're already doing burnouts. I love this place. I wish we could do this every weekend. Dude, I'm having a blast, man. Are you having fun?
I'm having a good time.
Me too, man.
Hey, Rob.
Yeah.
Who laid these black cars?
John.
What do you think of that dually?
Oh, Lee, dude, I seriously love it. You know me, that's my style. Freaking paint just like you pulled it out of a barn. Slam dually on bags. I love it, dude. Man. I can definitely see myself driving that.
What about that one?
I love that too, the rat rod. But the only thing about the rat rod, I don't know if I can fit in it. But you see Wally's car? How do you beat Wally's car? Dude, there is cars everywhere, Cruisin Lindbergh. If you're not here, what are you doing? You gotta live life, baby. Life's short. Come enjoy hot rods with us at Richline Motorsports. Dude, this is the best place. You got a stoplight here. Everybody does burnouts. Got cool parking. Dude, this place is one of the coolest places. If you want wheels or anything for your car or truck, they got everything. And they can order all kinds of stuff. But in the store itself, Richline's got some of the biggest selection. Dude, I don't know how many wheels are here, but it's packed. Wheels, tires, fender flares, good grief stuff. Look at all this stuff. I mean, they got it going on, baby. I love this place. We got to buy some wheels, dude. I think it's stuck on there. Anybody want to buy me this wheel for the bird turd? I need 4 of them. It's so cool.
What is that, a Lambo you think?
Yeah, yeah.
It has the doors. It has the doors.
Yeah, it does.
Maybe it's a Ferrari. All right, here we go. 1, 2, and... Hold on, let me turn it on.
You moron!
1, 2, and 3. All right.
Awesome.
Heck yeah, dude. Nice to meet you for real, dude.
Yeah, you too.
Look at the guy driving the Challenger.
Like a stormtrooper.
Yeah, look at the dude driving the Challenger.
Nacho Libre.
Dude, this is the coolest thing ever. I love it. Hey,
I don't care about shoulders, but I want at least that.
All right, sweet. Hey, anybody a Mustang fan? 68 fastback, and it sounds cool. Hey, it sounds pretty good. He might have a Chevy motor in it.
Too many cops this year.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's still boo-coos of vehicles, but just a long time. Oh! Hey, I talked to that dude the other day. The whole bed cover comes up. It's full of speakers. I got a video of it. It is nuts. Whoa! Yeah, definitely not as many. There were some burnouts, but there's a lot more cops this year. They kept it under control good. But lots and lots of cool cars. And definitely the ground effects lights has come back. They like went out of style for a while, but now they're back. Everybody here's got some kind of cool lights on their rig. Oh, they're gonna get run over. Look at this. Watch out, boys. Yeah, baby! You got cool video of these lights too, didn't you? A lot of the dude, that's hey! Woo! Let's go! Oh! How you about? Guys, we're getting ready to shut this place down. We're going to hit the Bird Turd. We're going to Andy's to get an ice cream. If there's any cool cruises at your town, let us know, man. We like traveling. We'll go check out your place and bring the Bird Turd if it's still running. Later.